find an ice cube. Is it kind of chilly? Was it cold? Where are you going with that ice cube? Hello. What did you find? That's not too cold? Does that feel good? You fit that whole ice cube in your mouth. Whoops. There it is. You got it? Woohoo! There it is. Where'd it go? Yeah, good idea not touching it. That's... Oh, yum, ick. You got it? You got it? Do you want to say something? What's in Mom's purse? Uh-oh, did you find the sunglasses? Oh, let's not put the ice cube in Mom's purse. Yeah, okay, ice cube will be right here. Ooh, that's cold. We just love the ice cube. Where'd it go? Here it is. Yeah, let's not put it in Mom's purse. You little stinker. You just keep putting it right in. Oh, Hannah. Hannah Beth, is that where it goes in Mom's purse? That's not an ice cube tray. You stinker bottom. All right, it's going on Mom's shirt to melt. You say, well, that's Mama's bagel. We just had breakfast. I've got ice and bagel on my shirt, huh? Want a little bagel? Okay, I'm going to give you a little bite. No? No. Did you find my sunglasses? Do you want to put them on? Come here. Ready? You look so cute. Want to wear them again? fancy lady. Big girl. You want to sing a little song, Hannah? You want to sing la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. Okay, Hannah, can you show me your new wave? Hi, Hannah. Show me how you wave. Hi, Hannah. Hi. You can do it. It's our new skill. Hannah. Hi. Hi. No interest whatsoever? All right, another time. Say bye-bye.